Hey, Mr. Sam here from the Woodcock Nature Center. Throughout Connecticut and New England, we have lots of stone walls. In fact, we have estimated over 100,000 miles of stone walls throughout New England. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we have so many stone walls? Seems like a strange place to find them in the forest. And to answer that, we have to go back in time. Hey, Mr. Sam here from the Woodcock Nature Center. Throughout Connecticut and New England, we have to go farther back than that thing. Over 12,000 years ago, during the last ice age. So back over 12,000 years ago, during the last ice age, all of Connecticut was covered in glaciers that were over a mile thick. And when those formed, they carved the land and created all of the valleys. And during that process, they actually tore up rocks and carried them across the landscape. As the Earth's global temperatures warmed, the ice melted and receded back up north, and it left behind these huge boulders and some of the other rocks that we see. Nope, it's not going anywhere. Fast forward many years later, during the colonial period, when farming became more popular in the region, farmers began tilling and preparing the fields to grow crops. But while tilling the land, they found these rocks left behind from glaciers and would remove them and pile them up. Eventually, they found so many that they couldn't make a single pile, but had to make a line out of them, leading to the beginnings of our stone walls today. During the Industrial Revolution, many farmers actually left their jobs for more profitable jobs in factories, allowing the forest to reclaim the space and regrow around all of these stone walls. So many of the stones that are in stone walls are actually made of a special type of stone called limestone. And limestone is very cool because it's made from the shells of old clams, oysters, and snails that over many years have crushed and formed together. Now, limestone has a high pH level, so that means that if you mix it with an acid like vinegar, it's going to bubble up just like vinegar and baking soda. So, got our vinegar, and we have our limestone. We'll do two just for fun. And let's see what happens. So definitely give this a shot. If you think you found some limestone on a local stone wall, put it in some vinegar, see if it bubbles, and if it does, then you've got your limestone. Have fun, everyone.